We're training really hard, and especially at Juventus. Every time I say I did 9 years at Man United, but playing for Juventus 2 years and a half was like, wow. United, I feel like I was on holiday compared to Juventus. You know, man, even Zinedine Zidane, like you vomit because you run too much, is really, really hard.
Is it different when your first career in Italy, right?
Yes.
And after that you play in England, then come back to Italy with Juventus in Turin. Is it different in first time you Italia?
No, actually same.
Okay.
Same. They have every club have the same mentality, the same way they prepare game. But Juventus is the hardest.